What's so laggy?
Okay. So there's no.
It was 0. Okay, open now.
Where's the max?
Okay, close it.
Okay. Maybe before we open the door, we check by chatting. Like, hi. Okay, now you can open it.
Ghost. No.
Where's the
book? Mama!
Where's the spirit box? Oh my god. And Miss Makima's practically just sniffing your face, Power.
I see a mouth moving. Yeah, I see it.
I see yours too.
Well, I see yours.
You have 2 extra eyes on your forehead. I don't want to hear it.
Because I don't know.
Guys! Okay.
Go to the door!
Okay. Power, you're gonna be the one gonna close the door, okay? You're near the door than me and Miss Makima, so you close it.
No, it was Makima near the door.
It's right there.
You hear that? Shh. My horse said it's safe.
Okay. I'm scared. Okay, get back in and close the door.
Wait.
Okay, I'll close the door. Girl, close it. Brother, it just started.
Stop screaming at my Dania.
We're sorry.
Yeah, it was her fault.
Powder. I mean Power, not Powder.
No, it was your fault. You keep screaming. Is it safe? Hey. Okay.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.
I saw the ghost and I shut the door immediately.
What is it 3? It was like 0.
Where's Miss Makima?
Go to the door!
Miss Makima? Shut the door.
She's outside. Yeah, she's outside.
Is she safe?
I guess. Why would I know?
Miss Makima?
I don't know. She killed me though. I hear crashing.
That ghost is having a crash out.
Sakidu.
Do they have a name? No, they don't. Oh, she's dead. She's dead. She just died. Oh no, she did. Did she? You there? You alive? Power?
I'm here.
Yeah, Miss Makima doesn't she did. Oh, she did. Okay, safe.
Bro, how would I find a fingerprint?
A fingerprint?
It's so hard. So hard.
So far, we only have Ghost Orb and Laser. I don't think we have Spirit Box. I'll check from out here to let you guys know if it's safe.
What do you want? Okay, never mind.
Okay, keep it shut. I'm outside. It's Umbra because that ghost was fast.
It's not wither yet. It's still normal. Mama!
Get in the closet. Power?
I got my horsey. Oh, my horsey.
Okay. Is this really who you took in with you, Miss Makima?
My horsey!
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
What is it? What do you mean? What do you mean worth sacrifice? Oh, shit!
Oh, it's right there, I think.
Stop banging on my door!
The ghost picked up the book. I don't know where it is, though.
Are you? Oh my god! Oh wait, handprint! There's a handprint!
Handprint? Okay. It's an Umbra.
Umbra!
Okay, it's an Umbra. We gotta go. We go.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
I'm so scared! I'm so scared! Give me that. Give me this. Give me.
I'm fumbling my words. Since that round was successful, are me and my girls free?
Oh, I found it! Ghost orb.
What did you find already?
Ghost orb.
Damn it. Okay, ghost orb.
Living room. Oh, that
Spirit box. I like the voice though.
Charlie, are you there? Charlie, the mellow. I don't know. Wait. Oh, it's yellow. It's yellow, guys. It's yellow. Calm down.
Hurt.
Oh, are you hurt? Oh my god, you're hurt. Oh, baby, such a baby.
No, she wants to hurt us, Power.
Oh.
I asked what do you want, and she said hurt.
Oh. Oh, such a baby. Oh. What was that for? Energy, power. Power.
I'm just kidding.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Hello.
Let me just check the ghosts real quick.
Is that salt?
Could also be a skinwalker.
Oh, that's energy
No, it's not a skinwalker.
I got energy drink.
Oh, that's true. They could fake orbs. Check temperature. Is it freezing?
It's still yellow. And it was all yellow.
How do we know?
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know.
Oh, that was angelic though. What the hey?
I don't know what was that. I just
Also, I shut the door.
You, oh my god! Why did you shut the door?
I was gonna do it for fun, but no, but the thing is, when hunted, you can still open the door. It could be a nightmare.
It's still yellow. And it was all yellow. Cause you were not. Open the door!
She's
Open the
hunting?
door. Hey, what's that for?
I'm sorry.
What? Okay, here, you take that. For a long time ago. Oh
my god, your big forehead. You shut the door.
No, I did not.
I got a warning. I got a warning.
I didn't. Christ. Let's have to switch bomb.
She said mess with the switch.
What, this? What?
Oh
This?
my. The light switch.
No, it's what's that? It's not working. The fuse. No, the light. Really it does? Are you sure? I don't think so, buddy. See, it's not working. It doesn't have any power. I'm so scared. This place doesn't seem to have power. Doesn't have power.
Aren't you Power? What's right there?
Ew.
We
high temperature. No, it's cold. It's like 6. 6, 7! Sorry.
Can you fire her?
Oh my god, 6, 7! 6.7! Why would you close it? Why? I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this.
Why was
I
your
don't want to do
scream?
this. I don't want to do this.
First of all, wasn't you or was it your horse that screamed?
It was my horse. It was my horse that screamed.
I was about to call her powder again. I was about to call her powder again.
What?
No!
What?
Go inside, it doesn't even hurt you.
See? It does. It does gonna kill me.
You're not gonna die! The door can literally open!
He says elder. I'm not elder. Makima is.
This is why okay. Go be a sacrifice. Go. Yeah, something like that. Oh, the lights are flickering, the lights are flickering! Huh?
We're having disco? Okay. Okay, we're having disco. Okay. Yeah, we're hitting it. Oh. Hey, Saza Bailey. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Where is she? Oh, there she is. She looks angelic.
Where? I don't see her.
She did die from an old age. Oh,
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Hello?
She's here! Like, in this part of the room, that's where she went.
Yeah, that's where she went.
I think this is a ghoul. Hold on, let me check.
But it's 0 though.
oh, you're dead. Oh, you're done.
I cannot go down. Bro.
Hi.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, the horse.
Oh my
Oh, it's a horse.
My horse. I was crying for the camera.
Asan ka? Dito ka ba? Ate? Diyan pala, pasensya na.
Guys!
I think it has a Discord e-kitten.
It's Ghost Orb. It's at the bathroom.
Ghost orbs?
Yeah. At the 2nd floor. Why do I have to take the job? Sigh.
Because you're Howard the Strong.
That is
definitely
such a
Howard.
lie. That is such a lie. If I die, you guys have to find it. You the power, you the real. You the power, you the real.
He doesn't communicate with me, Miss Makima. It's either a ghoul or skinwalker. Ooh.
Why are you so far away? Why are you so far away?
Power.
What?
Power.
What?
Take it. Come back down here and take Miss Makima's trying to give you.
What? What's that?
EMF 5. Oh.
What? It's yellow.
That's 5, I think. Oh. Is
Yeah,
that...
still yellow. Oh my god, who broke in?
The glass shards are here.
Wow, so kawaii.
Cameras.
What was that?
Freezing.
I got 6-7.
What?